How to transfer USDT from Bitget to any place else. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can transfer USDT from Bitget. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. So to transfer your USDT from your Bitget, what you'll need to do is open up your Bitget and log in into your account. So you will be on the home page initially. Head over to the assets section on the bottom right. After you're there you should find a transfer option. Tap on transfer. After you tap on transfer, you can then simply search what you want to transfer, that is your USDT. Select USDT, choose the coin, that is USDT, and choose the spot you want to send it to. So let's say OTC account. Now finally, an amount. So let's say that I want to send a certain amount. Since I don't have any, it's just showing 0. Tap on confirm and just go through with this transfer process. Just follow the prompt and you will have transferred your USDT from Bitget. And that's how easy it is. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.